Oh. That's lovely. He left a note, too. Dude, what the fuck is that? Is that a leech? Get away from me. Did I die? Ew, get away from me. Leeches, dude, nah. As I fall to my death. Where am I, dude? Oh, hell no. I can't pull the door. I can't push it either. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. How did I get in here? Oh no. Child, would you lend me some of your food, please? Oh? For me? You shouldn't have. Eat a rat. Eat that piece of meat that rat's been chewing on. He probably has rabies. You gotta do what you gotta do to survive. Eat it! Eat it! Eat it! It's a Connor. Connor, you're so much smarter than I am. I was desperate, okay? Why are your arms so long? Gumby? Jesus Christ. You know what he looks like? He looks like the spider guy from fucking Spirited Away, dude. Oh, what the fuck is that? What the fuck? Rats, rats, we are the rats. Alright, Run, bitch! The box! Where's my monkey? Oh! Don't touch my box, dude! Why you look like that? Oh my god, he distracted him. You're a real one, dude. This guy's got a weird collection. He's got dead people, clocks, shoes. Oh, his ears are too sensitive for that bullshit. You better run, boy, before you hurt yourself some more. What a dum-dum. Oh, I get it. I get it. I need to run when the clocks are going off. Oh my god, are you kidding me? What? You're supposed to be deaf! Clocks, save me. Dude, he knows where I am, dude. What are you gonna do, sir? Jump on this piano? Can't catch me, bitch. The fuck? Oh, that looks like it'll kill me. Or I can... Okay. Why you gotta do me like that, dude? No, sir. No! No! I'm not gonna be able to outrun him. He's gonna get me. Gonna crush his arms off. What is that thing? It's a chef. I knew it. I knew we were being prepared to be eaten. I fucking knew it. Did I call this shit or what? Fish are friends, not food. And I'm fucking hungry again. Let's eat the rat. Eat the rat. Eat the rat! This bitch is eating the rat! Yo! Oh, what a cutie! Chopping up that meat. Oh. You know what he looks like? He looks like the revolting slob from Crashbox. Am I wrong? You see nothing! That's right, fat bitch. Can't reach down there, huh? Gotta do some ab work. Bitch got asthma! Oh, does she see me? You fat bitch! I'm stuck on the stairs! I don't want to be dinner! Bitch! Yay! What are you gonna do? Fat bitch. She's so mad. Listen to her, she's so angry. What are you gonna do about it? Are you gonna have a heart attack? God damn, son. Let's break something. Wait. Are they twins? We need another key. This must be an elevator. Oh. Ah! I missed. She's not picking me up. Bad bitch. Dude, I just broke the game. Don't worry about it. Catch this, fat bitch. What are you gonna do? Whoa! She's throwing shit at me now. I missed. Goodbye. Just kill myself. Oh, it's bright as shit, dude. I knew we were on a boat. Didn't I say it? He's just eating it raw. What the fuck? You're gonna die of disease, dude. Actually, you might die of obesity first. Fuck! Oh, this bitch hungry. Holy shit, he ate me whole. gotta sacrifice you to them. Let's go. Come on. Don't pussy out now. We gotta go. Take her! Ugh. Oh no. Excuse me, sir. You need to calm down. Ah! I ran into a wall. Don't grab me. Ah! He caught me. Oh shit! Oh my god! Why is it getting so loud? I missed! Sausage, bitch, give me more. That is not what I wanted to do. Your mirror's cracked. Are you that ugly? Oh my god, she's fucking with me, dude. Ah! Ma'am! Ma'am! Are you okay? Who hurt you? She can't look at her reflection. Aha! That's why all the mirrors are broken. Alright, bitch. I'm ready to fight you. Let's go. I just want you to look at how beautiful you are. I promise. Okay. She's very mad at me. Let's fight, bitch. Are you kidding me? How do you do this? Yeah, that's what I thought. Didn't like that now, did ya? Which way are you gonna be? Yeah. Alright. I get it now. I'm starving. Am I gonna eat her? Dude, there's something wrong with this game. I'm hungry, bitch. I want to suck your blood. Dude, what is wrong with this game? I've been starved for so long that I'm eating humans bigger than me. I'm just as bad as these guys. Oh my god, I ate her power! Friends, I'm so sorry I ate one of your kind. I didn't mean to. I promise.